Just a handful is enough, and your geraniums will bloom like crazy. They'll be covered in flowers and fill your entire balcony. Here's how to make a homemade fertilizer that works wonders. Put a tablespoon of rice into a coffee grinder or blender and grind it into rice flour. Add 1 tablespoon of rice flour to a jar. Then, add a tablespoon of sugar. Pour half a liter of hot water over everything. Close the jar tightly and set it in a warm place for 3 days. After this time, strain the mixture through a sieve or gauze to remove the rice remnants. Now, dilute the fertilizer with water in a 1:5 ratio. 1 part fertilizer to 5 parts water. Pour the prepared liquid evenly into the geranium pots. Water with this solution once every 2 weeks. Rice is rich in silicon, iron, and phosphorus, which are essential for plants to bloom. Use this natural fertilizer regularly, and you'll see your plants grow and bloom. Your geraniums will be healthy, lush, and full of colorful flowers. Try it yourself and enjoy the beauty of your plants all season long. Throw it into your geraniums. Just 1 teaspoon will make them regain their color. It's a surprising but very effective method for fertilizing geraniums. Let me show you how to prepare this fertilizer. The most important thing is to save the potato peels when you're peeling potatoes for dinner. Don't throw them away, as they contain essential elements like potassium and magnesium, which are crucial for plant health. These nutrients help stimulate blooming in geraniums. Spread the peels out on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. It's best to leave the sheet in the sun for about an hour to let the peels dry completely. After that, prepare a grinder for milling. Put the peels into the grinder and grind them. If you have a lot of peels, you may need to repeat this process. The result is a perfect powder made from the peels. That's why it's important to make sure the peels are thoroughly dried. Add this powder to your geraniums every 2 weeks. Just sprinkle it over the plants before watering. You'll be amazed by the results. Water your geraniums with this, and even wilted flowers will quickly regain their color and start blooming beautifully again. All you need is 1 simple ingredient that you already have in your kitchen. With it, your geraniums will regain their vibrant appearance, become fuller, intensely green, and covered in colorful flowers. Take an onion, which is rich in natural nutrients that support plant growth. Peel it carefully, but don't throw away the skins, as they contain many valuable minerals that help strengthen leaves and improve flower health. Now take a larger jar, place all the onion skins in it, and cover them with water. Close the jar, cover it with a cloth, and leave it for about 2 days. During this time, all the beneficial components from the onion will infuse into the water, creating a natural homemade fertilizer. After 2 days, strain the mixture through a sieve. Now, prepare a spray bottle. Pour the ready solution into it, and close the bottle tightly. Spray the leaves and flowers thoroughly to refresh them and aid their recovery. Take a watering can, pour about 3.4 fluid ounces of the prepared solution, then add about 17 fluid ounces of water, and mix well. Use this mixture to water the soil around the geraniums to strengthen the roots and encourage growth. After just a few days, your geraniums will look healthier, and their leaves and flowers will regain their beautiful appearance. Use this natural fertilizer regularly once a week, and your geraniums will bloom even more abundantly. This will keep your plants healthy and beautiful throughout the entire summer season. In winter, I store my geraniums in a cardboard box. It's a reliable way to keep them alive until spring, and it works even for weaker cuttings. Before the first frost, take the plants out of their pots or boxes and carefully clean the roots of any remaining soil. Remove all faded flowers, young shoots, and any dry leaves. Once the roots are completely clean, prepare a plain cardboard box and place the geraniums inside with the roots facing upward. You can easily fit several plants in one box. Close the box, but never seal it. Geraniums need air circulation. And here's an important tip. Don't water them during winter, because moisture could cause the roots to rot. Keep the box in a cool, dark place where the temperature stays between the low 40s and low 50s Fahrenheit, ideally in a basement or a cool cupboard. Just make sure the box is not exposed to direct sunlight. Even if the leaves fall off, don't worry. It's perfectly normal. At the end of winter or early spring, give the plants a good trim to encourage new, strong shoots. Once replanted in soil, they'll recover quickly and bloom more beautifully than ever. Water your geraniums with this, and the neighbors will be green with envy. You can make this nutrient-rich fertilizer right in your own kitchen. Take 1 raw potato. It is not just useful for cooking. Grate it or cut it into small pieces. Potatoes are rich in starch, vitamins, and minerals that support plant growth, improve soil structure, and help the soil retain water more effectively. Put the potato into a bowl and pour in about 1 quart of water. Add 1 teaspoon of honey, which contains natural sugars that help activate nutrients, support soil microorganisms, and improve plant health. Add 1 tablespoon of used coffee grounds, which enrich the fertilizer with extra minerals such as nitrogen and potassium, while improving soil structure and aeration. Mix everything thoroughly. Pour the mixture into a jar and let it sit for 12 hours so the ingredients can combine and ferment. After that, strain the solution. When you want to use it, pour some into a watering can. Then add about 1 quart of water so the solution is not too strong. Water your plants with this natural fertilizer, and you will notice how quickly they grow, becoming stronger and healthier. Regular use will improve their condition and support long-lasting healthy growth. I add this to water and water my geraniums with it. They grow faster and immediately produce lots of new buds. The flowers are large and have a beautiful, vivid color. All you need is a large bottle. Pour 1.5 liters of regular water or rainwater into it. Next, you'll need some lager beer. Add a few teaspoons of this liquid gold to the bottle. Use natural or organic beer without additives or preservatives, as these can be harmful. The beverage of the gods contains yeast, sugars, and carbohydrates, which can serve as a quick source of energy for soil microorganisms. Yeast contains potassium, phosphorus, and magnesium, exactly what flowering plants like geraniums need. You'll see that this water will further strengthen your geraniums. Remember, geraniums don't like too much water, so water them in moderation. This water with a bit of lager is perfect for geraniums. In a short time, they will reward you with beautiful flowers. Especially during hot weather, mineral-rich water from the liquid gold will be very beneficial for geraniums. Add 1 tablet to water and use it to water your geraniums. Their blooming will become incredibly abundant, with deeper and more intense colors than ever before. This 1 tablet will restore their vitality and health, supporting their rapid growth. Geraniums need the right ingredients to stimulate intense blooming. So, take 1 tablet, break it into smaller pieces, and place it in a bowl. I'll reveal what this ingredient is shortly. Prepare a larger container and add about 10 fluid ounces of water. Drop the crushed powder in, then mix everything until you get a uniform solution. Now, prepare an empty spray bottle, remove the lid, and pour the mixture into the bottle. Close it tightly, shake well, and you now have a natural spray fertilizer. Simply spray your geraniums with this solution, and after a short time, you'll notice the plants becoming greener, healthier, and full of flowers. They will start producing new buds, and their leaves will become more intense, helping the geraniums regain their natural beauty and bloom like never before. The ingredient is aspirin. Aspirin improves plant health by boosting their resistance to diseases and stress, leading to more intense blooming and a healthier appearance. Thanks to it, the plants become stronger and more resilient to unfavorable conditions. Never throw away a used dish sponge. It can be like gold for your plants. This simple trick helps flowers retain moisture longer, grow faster, and stay lush and beautiful for a long time. Don't throw used sponges in the trash because they can be incredibly useful for plant care. Sponges store water extremely well, helping the soil stay properly moist and protecting roots from drying out, especially during warm days. First, prepare a larger bowl and pour water into it. Add a few drops of dish soap to help thoroughly clean the sponges from dirt and grease residue. Then place the sponges in the water and leave them for a moment to soak well. After that, squeeze them thoroughly and cut them into smaller pieces. Prepare another bowl, add the cut sponges, mix in some soil, and combine everything very well. Next, prepare a plastic flower pot or container with holes at the bottom. Place a few sponge pieces at the very bottom so they can retain moisture and support the plant roots. Only then add your favorite flowers or seedlings and gently cover them with the prepared mixture. Finally, water everything lightly. Thanks to this, your plants become stronger, greener, and full of beautiful flowers. These simple sponges can help your plants grow better and keep moisture in the pot much longer.